Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome to another video on the channel. I was gone for some time, but I'm back, baby. Today will be a quick video on making kettle corn. This popcorn is the best popcorn for movies or just snacking in general, in my opinion, period. Anyways, without b-roll to do, let's go, baby! Great, so the recipe is very simple. The method? Well, pretty simple too. So to start off, get yourself a big pot. Put the pot on medium-high heat. Then to the pot add in 3 tablespoons of neutral flavored oil. And into that oil add in a couple of corn kernels. Once they pop, this will let us know when the oil is hot enough. Great, now get your sugar ready, 1/4 cup, and your corn ready, 1/3 cup. Now once the corn in the pot pop, you can throw in the rest of them. And then quickly drizzle on your sugar. Try to cover as much of the corn as possible. Also, spread it out evenly. Then close the lid and with your cooking gloves, start moving the pot so the corn don't stick to the bottom. Don't worry, you can easily clean off the molten sugar later with boiling water. Then you should hear the sound of popcorn popping. Pop, 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 pop. Don't stop moving the pot. If you stop moving, the corn will stick to the bottom. Once the popcorn slow down popping and there is 1 second intervals between the pops, remove the pot off the heat and dump it out onto a non-stick or lined with parchment paper sheet pan to cool off. Also salt them heavily with salt while they're still hot for that sweet and salty taste. Now the last thing you should do is break the big lumps of popcorn up a little bit using the gloves so to not get molten caramel on your fragile fingers. Great, now let them cool off completely for a couple of minutes, and once cooled, get them to a popcorn box from your local movie theater that you bought 4 years ago and for some odd reason you kept it. Only me? Or any other box or container will do. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this. Again, sorry for being away for 2 weeks. If you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below. I will be responding to all of you. Okay, now I'm going to go watch the new James Bond movie. Bye!
Ryan.
Bye! Peace!